Hello everyone, in my last video I have made a bookmark with tassel. So in this video we'll learn how to make a perfect tassel. So let's get started. Here you can take thread of any type of your choice and just round it to a cardboard piece like this. If you want a thick fluffy tassel, then you can round it several times. Here I'm taking a medium type of tassel, so I'm cutting it at this stage. So this is how I made my tassels on a bookmark. So you must try one too and let me know in the comments below. If you want to know how to make this splash effect bookmark, I'll provide the link in the description below. Do check them out. And if you like my video, turn that black thumb below, and if you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel for interesting contents, and see you next time with another beautiful art. Till then, take care.